Madam Governor Gwen Garcia, who has once again demonstrated her leadership and her efficacy as a public servant because of the results that we have seen for One Cebu Island. And I think it is undeniable how many. I remember when the congressmen were taking their oath, the governor was saying, lahat yan, One Cebu yan, lahat yan, One Cebu yan, lahat ng nakatayo dyan, One Cebu. And it's not surprising because we have seen the success of One Cebu, which then evolved into One Cebu Island to include the cities. And I think that the reason that we have seen the success of all your party mates and that a very large majority was gained by your party, by your aggregation, is simply because of the leadership and the performance that public servants have shown. As I think we all understand, and I think with the time that all of us have spent in public service, we all have come to the conclusion that performance is the best politics. That is what I attribute the success of One Cebu Island, is not only to the leadership of your governor and the executives in the different LGUs, and of course the performance that you have shown over the years. And that's why I think that the results are so favorable to those who have become part of the One Cebu Island group. Now, I myself have become a beneficiary of your good work. And because of all this result coming from Cebu is historic in many ways. It has never fallen to a Marcos to win this big in Cebu before. And the only time that a Marcos won in Cebu was in my father's time, in 1969, where he won against a Cebuano. I think that just shows that the leaders here in Cebu are trusted by your people. And if you are able to align with whoever party or whoever individual comes down and who you believe in, then you can, in fact, deliver that vote. And the only reason anyone can deliver a vote is because the voters trust them. And the voters trust them because they know that those leaders bring good things to their community, that they have been effective, that they have worked hard, and they have performed well.